Hey there, are you ready to give your hair the deep conditioning treatment that it deserves? Look no further than the Hydrate Don't Hate, a rich and creamy deep conditioner formulated specially for your curly, wavy, or coily hair. First, make sure that your hair is clean and damp. Scrunch out any excess water so the deep conditioner doesn't slip off. Next, apply a generous amount of Hydrate Don't Hate to your hair lengths, avoiding the roots. Always remember, nothing should touch your scalp apart from your shampoo or your oil. Make sure to distribute the conditioner evenly throughout your hair and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. For best results, you can keep it for as long to 25 to 30 minutes as well. Meanwhile, take small sections and start twisting them to see the curl clumps. Move ahead by using your fingers or use the detangle and style brush to detangle any knots or tangles. The brush is made with silicones and glides very gently on your knots and untangles them rather than breaking them off. So why wait? Give your hair the deep conditioning treatment that it deserves with Hydrate Don't Hate.